Is this for the burger bacon?
Right. Look at that. Mayonnaise. Bit of lettuce. That's the big dog. Cheese. Cheddar cheese. Wow. Man, good.
That's quality.
Big dog.
Lucky you, man.
Thank you, big dog. Wow. I cannot wait to eat this right now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy cow, man.
Oh my god.
That looks wow.
I don't know where to begin.
Wow.
I don't know where to
You
begin.
just gotta start at one end and just work your way down, man.
Get a big bite of that, man.
Oh, it's crispy.
Oh.
That's looking delish.
Well,
How is it, man?
I've explained one thing in life, and that will be texture. This is what that means. Texture with crispiness, a bit of everything going on. You know what I
Wow,
mean?
man. And give me a
Jordan.
bite.
Yeah, you want a bite?
You gotta have a little bit of sip of Jack Daniels first.
Okay, man. Loosen up
I'm
the
sorry,
taste
should
buds.
I?
Loosen up the tasties.
Like, shove it in.
Slip and slab.
Yeah?
Quintessential sausage.
Oh.
I think you need another bite.
Absolutely perfect.
I think you need
Yeah?
another bite.
I think I do, man.
Now one more.
On my sausage.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You need to get a whole big bite of that sausage. Just straight in.
Straight in.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Wow.
Amazing.
Oh
Have a look
my
at that.
God.
Have a look at that view. What a view.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah. Sorry.
I cannot do anything.